good manufacturing practice. So the GMP, what is the definition of the GMP? So the GMP definition is a give by the WHO, World Health Organization. The World Health Organization defines the GMP, good manufacturing practice. So what is the definition of the GMP? So that part of the quality assurance which ensure the product are constantly produce and control the quality standards appropriate to their intended use. So means what is the GMP means? So here GMP means, so WHO defines the good manufacturing product or practice. So that part of the quality assurance, that part is a quality assurance, that part of a quality assurance which ensure the that product are constantly produced and control the quality. It is the produce the product and control the quality control the quality to their intended use and require the marketing authorization. So in the marketing, in marketing field or in the market, which product is more consuming, that product is produced and maintain the control by depends upon the GMP. That is the definition and importance of that GMP. The GMP definition is defines from WHO, the good manufacturing practice, that part quality assurance which ensure the product and constantly produce and control the quality standards appropriate their intended use the required by marketing authorization. So that is the GMP definition and introduction. So what is the quality? So in here it maintain the quality. What is the quality definition? Quality is the medicinal product measured by the fitness purpose. It measured by the a fitness. It measure the a fitness purpose. It a particular product, it compulsory maintain the particular fitness. So that is the quality. So the quality of a medicinal product is measured by the a fitness purpose. And the next one, in here two words are there. What is the quality control and second one is the quality assurance. Quality control and quality assurance. So first one is maintain the quality assurance and the next one quality control. It maintain the quality assurance and quality control. What is the quality control? What is the quality assurance? So these are the quality control. The quality control is the lab based QC. It is also known as a QC. And the quality the quality control is the QC. This one is the QA, quality assurance. So what is the quality assurance? What is the quality control? So the quality control is a lab based. It depends upon the lab base. It depends upon the QC is a lab based substance and QA is a company based. Company base. It is a company base. So quality assurance, the assurance given from the company only. The quality control, it is a depends upon the lab only. That is the main difference between quality assurance and quality control. And one more word about quality assurance and quality control. So what about quality assurance? All those planned or systemic action necessary to provide adequate confidence that product will be satisfy the requirement and quality. So it maintain the all plans. It maintain the all planned or systemic action. It maintain the systemic action in the quality assurance and provided they confident that product will be satisfied. It maintain the a good product. It maintain the a good product and it maintain the good product and as well as the and it satisfy the requirement for the quality and good product and it maintain the quality also. So that is the quality assurance. The quality assurance is a company based. It is the quality assurance is the company based and all those planned or systemic action necessary to provide the a confident and a good quality substances are produced from them depends upon the quality assurance. It gives the quality assurance is depends upon the company. So what is the quality control? It is a operational laboratory techniques. It is a operational laboratory techniques. It is a operational laboratory techniques and techniques and the activities used to fulfill the requirement of the quality. So it is a lab substances, it is a lab substance, it is a operational laboratory techniques, operational laboratory techniques and activities used to requirement of the maintain the quality. First the quality is maintained in the lab, the quality assurance given from the company. That is the main difference between quality assurance and quality control. But quality assurance and quality control, it maintain the a particular fitness. This is the introduction about the GMP. So what is the GMP? It maintain the quality assurance produce and quality control maintain in the marketing demanded factors, and it maintain the fitness. In here two words are there. One is the quality assurance and quality control. The quality control is a lab based and the quality substance is the company based. Quality assurance is the company based. So the next one is the GMP. The GMP is the mainly helps to the GMP. What is the importance of the GMP? So what is the GMP? It maintain the quality. It maintain the quality and it maintain the quantity also. It maintain the quantity and helps to the boost in the pharmaceutical export opportunities. Pharmaceutical export and maintaining the business purpose, export opportunity. Why? If the company gives the assurance to the product, company gives the assurance to the product and maintain the a good quality, and as well as the maintain the good quality also. So that is the importance of the GMP. But there is importance and introduction about the GMP. And the next one is certified. So the GMP is certified by the, how to certified the particular compound is a good compound and it maintain the good quality, it gives a good assurance. So how to certified it? It is certified by the, it's certified by the different authorities are there. First one authority is the WHO, and the next one US FDA and EU, USFDA, EU and ICH. So these companies are it the certified the GMP products. Is certified the agencies of the certified agencies WHO, USFDA, EU, ICH is the certified the a good quality products. So certified by these companies. So the next one is in India. So what about in India? In India, the Schedule T is the Schedule T. In India, total schedules is the A to Z schedules are present. A to Z schedules are there. In especially the T schedule, T schedule and Drug and Cosmetic Act in 1940, as based on the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. 1940 deals with the licensed be issued the manufacturing with the GMP standards. So the Schedule T is the gives the license to the GMP products, GMP products, and depends upon the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So this is about license, and the WHO, USFDA, EU, and ICH also it certified the good product and it gives the license. In India, as based on the Schedule T, as depends upon the 1940 Drug and Cosmetic Act also, it gives the license to the product. So that the license. So how to give the license depends upon the some factors. So some factors in the herbal products, especially herbal products. So the herbal products is the GMP herbal medicine norms. So depends upon the GMP GMP herbal medicine norms. So the GMP herbal medicine norms is the different types of GMP herbal medicine norms. So first one is the quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal medicines. Quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal medicine. So first one, And the next one, herbal, first one is a quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal medicines. So what is the quality assurance? It is a wide ranging concept covering the matter that individual and collectively influence the quality of a product. The quality assurance is the influence the quality of the product. It influences the quality of the product by this first one, quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal medicines. And second one is the good manufacturing practice for herbal medicine, GMP for herbal medicine. So first one is the quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal medicine. Second one is the GMP for herbal medicines. So it one is the first step is the in here first step is the cultivation and collection of the medicinal plants. First one is the cultivate and collection of medicinal plants, cultivate and collection of medicinal plant. And this ensure the second one point is the first one is the cultivate and collect the medicinal plant. First choose that and cultivate it. Then the next one ensure the quality, safety, efficacy. Quality, safety, and efficacy of a complex product of the biological biological origin biological origin. And the next one, first it maintain the ensure of the quality, safety, efficacy in a biological origin. So it maintain that particular GMP for herbal medicine. First one is the cultivate and collect, and then next maintain the quality, safety, efficacy in the biological origin. And third one is the sanitation and hygiene. Sanitation and hygiene. Sanitation and hygiene. So a high level of sanitation and hygiene during manufacturing is necessary. So high level of hygiene and sanitation is a compulsory and important in the cultivation field. A high level of sanitation and hygiene during manufacturing is necessary because the herbal products are prone contaminated. Why? Because the herbal products are contaminated with microorganisms. By the sanitation, by the hygiene, it the remove of the microorganism growth in the herbal products. So that is the third one. And the next one is the fourth one. So qualification and validation. Qualification and validation. Qualification and validation. First one is the quality assurance in the manufacturing of herbal materials, and then herbal manufacturing. And the next one is the GMP for herbal material, and then herbal manufacturing. And the next one is the sanitation and hygiene, and fourth one is the qualification and validation. So qualification of a critical equipment, processing of the validation of a particular important production of a herbal medicine with the therapeutically active constants. Means here qualification is a critical step. So for example, one drug is a qualified to a particular disease or not, and that the drug is how to identify it by the validation process. A particular important the production of the herbal medicine, it maintain the qualification and validation. So write down qualification of a critical equipment process, validation. Qualification is a critical equipment of a validation. So it is a valid or not, it is a qualified or not, it is a depends upon the some tests, some the chemical test and some physical test important of the production of the herbal medicines. So it's the that one is the therapeutically active or inactive. Active or inactive, it is identified by the qualification and validation. In case of inactive of these compounds, that one is a rejected. In case of active, that one is the suitable for the manufacturing of a herbal drugs. So that is a qualification and validation. And the next one is the fifth one. Fifth one is a complaints. Fifth one is a complaints. Fifth one is the complaints. So the complaints is the two types of complaints are there. Complaints is the two types. So first one is a product quality complaint. First one is a product quality complaint, and second one is adverse effects or adverse reactions. Adverse effects or adverse reaction. The product quality complaints is identified by the fourth one. That one is a qualification and validation. So the product quality is a depends upon the validation. And the next one, the adverse reaction is identified after administration of a drug. It show the adverse reactions. It show the adverse reaction. So these are the adverse reaction is mainly identified in the clinical trials. Mainly identified in the clinical trials. The product quality, it is depends upon the product quality depends upon the adverse reaction. It is a valid or not. It compulsory maintain the complaint report. It maintain the complaint report. Why? Because of any reports are there. Either quality depends upon the quality, depends upon the adverse effect and adverse reaction. These reports are the maintain the a quality purpose. Maintain the quality purpose. And the next one is sixth one, and product recall. Product recall. What is the product recall? There should be system to recall from the market, and promptly and effectively products know the suspected be effective. Means this should defective means they should be a system to recall from the market. Recall from the market. So after marketing it a recall from the market, and promptly effectively it is the it maintain the quality, and it maintain the active ingredients and maintain the a good uh, a good quality products as per the GMP. As per the GMP, the product recall from the compulsory from the market. It's a promptly and effectively products are suspected to be defective. So these compounds are it maintain the good quality or not, and it maintain the good active ingredients or not, and it maintain the a good quality products. And the next one, a good as per GMP rules or not. It is a compulsory, and compulsory to maintain the a product recall from the marketing. So means it maintain the feedback. Simple word. It maintain the feedback either good or bad. Good or bad. So that's one is that depends upon the feedback also. It is the herbal drugs are prepared. And the next one is seventh one. The seventh one is the contract production and analysis. Contract production and analysis. Contract production and analysis. The contract production and analysis must be correctly defined, agreed and controlled in order to avoid the misunderstanding that could result product or work analysis of the unsatisfactory quality. Means contract production and analysis, it must be maintain the a correctly defined agreed and control order, and it maintain the order, and a correct definition. For example, in a particular tablet it maintain the different types of ingredients. That ingredients is a compulsory mention in the procedure, and agreed and control in order to avoid the misunderstanding and also, and orderly. For example, in a product 1 to 10 ingredients are there. 1 to 10 ingredients are there in here. The 1 to 10 ingredients, it placed in a one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, and maintain the a correct order. So why? Because of the first compound is added in a glassware, and then after added second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven up to 10. So these are maintain the a correct order. In case of the 10th product is added in this first time, and the next one added the fourth and third, fifth, in zigzag material, it's showing the disadvantages of the herbal products. Compulsory maintain the order, and correct defined products are maintained here, and avoid the misunderstanding. It could result the product at work analysis and unsatisfactory quality, and identify the analysis. So analysis means compulsory first product is added, then after add the second product only. So why, which purpose we are adding the second product, and then after adding the third product, then after adding the fourth product? So which purpose? Any disadvantages, any advantages of the order? So that's what is a compulsory analysis of this product. So this is our topic about GMP, about GMP. So tomorrow we will discuss about this topic. Remaining one more seven sidings are there. So tomorrow we will discuss about remaining seven topics. Okay.